morning to all. Welcome back to Max online class. In this video we are going to prove the first theorem in mathematics is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. You know very well. The first theorem in mathematics. Is Pythagoras. It is also known as Baudhayan theorem. Okay, so the theorem states in a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, the square of the hypotenuse, hypotenuse is the longest side. If it is 90 degree, it is the longest side. Okay, the hypotenuse square BC square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. The other two sides AB and AC respectively. So sum of squares of other two sides can be written as AB square plus AC square. This is the statement of the theorem. In a right angle triangle ABC, the square of the hypotenuse BC square, it means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides AB and AC squares. Okay, so this is the statement of the theorem. Okay, so now I am going to prove this theorem by using the concept of similar triangle. By using similar triangle. Okay, so the construction, I have drawn AD which is perpendicular to BC. The straight line is perpendicular to the side BC. Okay, so it divides the triangle ABC into two triangles, namely ABD and ADC. Okay, so first in right triangle ABD and right triangle ABC. Okay, so first I am going to take this triangle left hand side ABD and the whole triangle ABC. Okay, so here angle B is common. If you take this separately means I have drawn. Okay, so this is A B D, this is A B C. Okay, so here B is common angle D is 90 degree, here angle A is 90 degree. Okay, so angle B is common, we can say that angle B is common, and angle D is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, you have learnt similarity criteria. It means angle similarity criteria. if two angles of one triangle, here these two angles of one triangle is respectively equal to the another triangle, means these two triangles are similar. Okay, so we can say that by angle similarity criteria, triangle ABD similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional, you know that. So it can be written as AB by listen, triangle ABD is similar to here angle B, it should be in middle. Okay, then angle D is equal to here A is equal to 90 degrees. So here we write A. So it should be written as CBA. Okay, CBA. So if you write in ABC form, what should we write? How can we write it? Triangle ABC means it should be written as triangle DBA. I hope you understand this. Listen carefully. If you take this triangle ABD means which one is equal to this? Here angle A is equal to C and B is common angle and here D is equal to A. Okay, so in this place the third one is A and mid, that is angle B common. So A is equal to C. So if you rewrite ABC means it should be written as DBA. Okay, so if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by DB equal to BC by AB. Take this or consider as 1. Okay, so next right hand side triangle. Okay, this one ACD compared to ABC. So first I am going to take the whole triangle. Angle A is 90 degree. Okay, next this right hand side. So ADC. Listen carefully. So here angle C is common. Angle C is common. Angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. By using angle similarity criteria, we can say that the two triangle ABC similar to, I have taken ABC, okay, similar to here angle A equal to 90 degree, here angle D is equal to 90 degree. So we must write D at first. Listen, here angle A, here angle D, okay, and center A and C is the common angle. Here I have written at last, so here also. I hope you understand this. So if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by DA equal to BC by AC is equal to AC by this AC by DC. So in this case I am going to take this one as 2. Okay, so from it can be written as AC square equal to BC into DC, BC into DC. And here AB into AB equal to AB square equal to BC into DB. This is 1. Here this is 2. So add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So left hand side AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. You know how to add. Here AB square, here AC square is equal to BC into DC plus here BC into DB. Okay. So here BC is the common factor. If you take that out, what do we have? DC plus DB. So BC into DC plus DB. What is it? Listen. DC plus DB is equal to BC. If you add DB and DC means you can get BC. So BC square. Okay. Listen, AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Hence the theorem. I hope you understand. It is very easy. So better you take the first one. If you take this ABC means according to this you can write the second triangle. Okay. If you take ABC means the angle must be, we should write the angle in equal manner. Okay. So ABC means here angle A equal to 90 degree. In this triangle angle D is 90 degree. So we must write here. If you write A here means in the place of A we replace D. And C is the common angle. Here I have written at last. So here also I have. The remaining one must be equal because by using angle similarity criteria. If two angles are equal means third one must be equal. Okay. So it is very important 5 mark question. You can refer your textbook. In textbook page number 180 the theorem is given. In examination point of view you can write like what is given in textbook. Okay. So once you learn this and refer your textbook. Okay. So listen. In right angled triangle, the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse, you know very well, and the other two sides are called legs of the right angled triangle. The hypotenuse will be the longest side of the triangle. These are, you know very well.